First time digital electronics. So title is a resistor transistor logic, and combination students will be able to explain why RTL is necessary and draw the circuit diagram of RTL, explain the working of RTL. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of the RTL? Explain the applications of the RTL. So RTL means resistor transistor logic. So an equivalent resistance of the all the resistors connected to the logical 1 and the equivalent resistance of the resistor connected to the logical 0 form the two legs of a composed voltage divider driving a transistor. The base resistance and the number of the inputs are chosen so that only one logical one is sufficient to create in the circuit base emitter voltage exceeding the threshold and the resulting saturating the transistor. If all the input voltages are low, the transistor is cut off condition. What are the advantages of the RTL? The primary advantage of the RTL technology was that is a minimum number of the transistor in the circuit is using the discrete compounds. Before integrated circuit, the transistors were the most expensive component to the produce. Early IC logic production such as Fairchild 9061 used the same approach briefly but quickly transistor higher performance circuits such as diode transistor logic and TTL logic. Here, what are the disadvantages of the RTL? The disadvantage of the RTL is a high power distribution when the transistor is switched on by current flow in the collector and phase resistors. This result requires the more current supplied by the and heat to be removed from the RTL circuit. In contrast of TTL circuits with the totem pole output stage. So minimum of this requirement. It's RTL circuit. Quiz question of the RTL. So state the characteristics of the RTL. RTL characteristics. So it's a high speed as compared to TTL, and propagation delay is low. So is state the characteristics. RTL is needed in the circuit. The circuit is a transistor logic. So we have firstly find out the RTL logic. Is 1961. Thank you. Thank you very much.